my gosh, nutrients, child. I don't forgot my script. Back. Why did I freaking do that? To my channel, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kiki and I basically bring you guys natural hair care, DIYs, tips, and more. Today I am going to be showing you guys one of my favorite coffee scrub recipes. If you didn't know, coffee is a great exfoliant, right? And it contains many antioxidant properties, and it also helps to stimulate blood circulation in the skin. So I'm going to show you guys that recipe, so let's get into it. Also, don't forget to check out the link in the description if you're interested and checking out my hair care line. Let's get into it.
All right, so first things first, you're going to need your coffee. Here I'm just using Cafe Bustelo, I think that's how it's pronounced, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that into my bowl and then add my sugar. With coffee being an exfoliant, it makes a great scrub because it removes all the dead skin cells, which makes your skin softer. Some people like to use salt in their scrub, but me, I'm just going to use sugar because sugar is actually a humectant, so that means it will draw moisture into your skin. Then I'm just going to add in some cinnamon, which is great for increasing the blood flow to the skin. And due to the antioxidants in cinnamon, it also prevents premature aging, as well as moisturizing properties. I'm then going to add in some argan oil. Argan oil is my favorite oil when it comes to skincare because it does not clog your pores. And also it's a moisturizing, hydrating oil. And in this step here, I'm just going to add in a few drops of peppermint oil as well as vitamin E due to their antioxidant properties. Since I didn't use a preservative, I didn't make that much of the scrub. I just made enough to at least last me for a week or two.
I cannot believe how soft my hands are. Okay, so I went in with the coffee scrub that I showed you guys, and I was like, I'm not gonna make a full container because this is my first time. I don't know how I'm going to like it, and I made it, and guys, 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. And then I went in with the mango butter, chef's kiss. But I hope you guys love this video. I need to touch somebody right now. I need to hold hands with someone where you can see how soft my hands are. Okay, oh my goodness, like feels like a baby's butt, literally. Like I can't stop touching my hands. Anyways, all right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video with a friend who you know needs soft hands or who hands be ashy. Okay, bye guys, see you in the next video.